Hello everyone. I am going to ask you all that what is 1 divided by 1? And for this we already know that this is equals to 1. We all know division, multiplication and other things. And if we divide any number by 1, then this number is equals to the same number. Like if we divide a divided by 1, so this number is a. What will happen when we divide some number by 0? Like this is the basic example, 1 divided by 0. What is this? So in mathematics we say that this is undefined because we cannot define this number. Like is it undefined? Okay, why it is undefined, that we are going to see here. For a number to be defined in some manner, we need to find out that does it has some physical sense. Like if we divide 10 divided by 2, so we can say we are dividing 10 apples into 2 persons. Okay, so they will get 5 each. But for this case we are dividing one thing in 0%, so there is no significance of this. Okay, like, and another thing, if we take the nearest value of 0, not exactly 0 but nearest, as near as possible, like 1 divided by 0.0000000000001, and this is tends to infinity 0. Okay, and at the end it is 1, so this will come out to be 1000000 till infinity. Okay, so we can say this number is nearly equals to infinity. But when we go left side, like this is 0, this is -1 and this is 1, so this is nearest 0. When we came to right side, then this is infinity, and if we go left side, then this is going to be 1 divided by -0.0000, infinity number of 0, and at the end 1. Okay, so this is going to be minus of this. Okay, so this we can say nearly equals to minus infinity. So in surrounding of 0 there is no defined value of 1 divided by 0. In surrounding we can define the value, like if we go just right to the 0 then it is infinity, and if we go just left to the 0 then it is minus infinity. But we cannot define as 0 that it is defined. Okay, because for a number to be defined it should have right hand, it should have right hand side limit and left hand side limit to be equal. Okay, that's why we cannot say 1 divided by 0 is infinity, and many people say that okay, 1 divided by 0 it is infinity if we divide any number by 0, and some people say if we divide any number by 0 then it is undefined. Okay, yeah, it is undefined in arithmetic way or algebraic way, but not in calculus. In calculus way, if we go like, okay, somebody is saying if we divide any number by 0 then it is undefined. Okay, if we divide any number by 0 then it is 0. Yes, it is correct. But in calculus, there is also a broader way that we can find out some values. Like if we say, if we just divide 0 divided by 0, if we're dividing 0 by 0, then it is going to be interminant form. Okay, this is not undefined. We cannot say that this is undefined. In mathematics, undefined means we cannot find out its solution. Whatever we do, we cannot find out the solution. But interminate form, we can find out the solution by using the given properties, or you can say given data. Like here 0 by 0 is interminate form. Like, and what values it can take, it should have value. Okay, like if we say 0 multiplied by 1, then it is also 0. If we multiply 0 by 1, so it is 0. So we are writing 0 as 0 multiplied by 1. Yeah, we can write that. And down we can say 0 multiplied by 2. So 0 by 0 cancel, and this is 1 by 2. Okay, another example of this, 0 multiplied by 5 divided by 0 multiplied by 1. So this is cancel, this is 5. So it can take any real value. Okay, but for the given condition, if the conditions are given, then we can find out its value. like like one example I am taking x divided by x. Okay, और यहाँ पर आई एम सेइंग x की वैल्यू है वो है टेंस टू 0 है. Okay, so for that example, if you see x value, if you put value of x 0, then this is 0 by 0 form. But what are the given condition? This is just x by x, so x by x is 1. So whatever the value of x, this y is always equals to 1. Okay, so then it is defined at x equals to 0, defined by using the given case or given scenario. Okay, okay, and now we came to our main topic, that is infinity a real number? Like for say we write the number line as 0, 1, 2 till infinity, and -1, -2 till minus infinity. So is infinity a real number? No, infinity is not a real number. Infinity is just representing a, a large amount of number, or you can say infinity is just representing a large amount of number, that yeah, this is infinity. But we cannot do arithmetic operation on infinity, because like, yeah, by property we can identify, by property we can say okay, like infinity hai, this is infinity, and if we are adding infinity to infinity, then it is infinity. And if we are say that if we are adding infinity plus 1, then it is infinity. Okay, and by property we can say if we want divided by infinity, then it is 0, and if we divide minus infinity, then it should be 0. These properties are defined for infinity, but we cannot say 1 by 0 equals to infinity. In right hand side of 0 it is plus infinity, in left hand side of 0 it is minus infinity. I hope you have learned something from this. Keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.